And many have been asking, why didn't HHS deliver this type of report? Well, I can tell you, HHS is in the vaccine business, and they're simply not going to break that bias towards vaccines. We needed an independent foundation, and that's where McCullough Foundation stepped up.
Yeah, it's an incredible study. And, this has become a mainstream conversation. And I tend to hear, as far as vaccines as the risk factor, I tend to hear two different schools of thought. One of them is it's the vaccines themselves. They have these heavy metals in them that end up as deposits in the brain. And then another school of thought is that it's not necessarily the vaccines themselves. It's the fact that we're giving, 15 at once and then another 10 and another 5, and we're overloading the baby's system. Mm-hmm. Is it either one or the other, or is it a combination of the two?
I think it's the latter. It's really inflammation, or what we call encephalitis, or inflammation of the brain that occurs after a big battery of vaccines. 20 vaccines list encephalitis as a possible side effect of childhood vaccines. And to me, clinically, the autism as well as ADHD, tics, and epilepsy, they look like post-encephalitic syndrome. So there's no specific vaccine, no specific ingredient, but vaccines given in combination early during the neurodevelopmental time frame is where all the risk is. Now, vaccines given separately and given later in life are far safer.